What is your favorite letter?
Muta.
This is, How was it? How was it? Wait lang. May sumisingaw. Ay, bumubula ako!
But if you go and leave me, then that's where it's true. My love will always be with you. No, I know that we can have it all forever.
But the winner the Chiquititas Boat Tour is Mr. Alfred. You're a beautiful singer. Thank you so much for your energy.
The next day.
Good morning, everybody. We're gonna surf now in the morning. It's currently 8 a.m. And after that, we're gonna do a boat tour kasi nanalo si Alfred sa competition last night.
Thank you. Nagbunga talaga yung mga prayers ko last night. And nag-pray talaga ako. Sabi ko, I'm praying for my friends. And don't worry, I can pray for you tonight as well.
Morning, Yuri.
Diba?
Yeah, so I'm excited to catch some waves this morning. We're tired from yesterday talaga. We're looking forward to have a massage after the boat tour.
May question ako. Kasi yung phone ko nabasa. So ngayon, nakalagay siya ngayon sa bigas. Hindi ba heat resistant yun? Baka masain kasi yung phone.
Okay na yung job mo? Good. So, sobrang pagod ako. And then we had a good night last night, if you can see. We took some videos. We had some tequila night for the kuyas kasi they requested it when we were hitting the wave, when we were riding the wave. Natutuwa sila and we're like, tequila!
Yun na nakapagpa-inspire sa kanila, nabigyan nila ako ng magandang wave.
I was so happy because ang dami naming magandang surf yesterday. Sobrang natuwa kami. So hopefully this time we're gonna be surfing in Cloud9. It's gonna be the same.
While they're surfing sa Cloud9, I'm eating Cloud9. Kasi magkapahinga ako ngayon. I'm so tired. Grabe yung pagpapaddle ko kahapon. I mean, riding the waves yesterday was so tiring. Kasi we've waited for a tidal wave for me to be able to glide. But in reality, yesterday, there were sightings of butandings here in Siargao. Some of them got lost.
So yun, punta na kami. See you and samahan nyo kami. Third day here in Siargao. Let's go!
A few moments later.
We're currently here in Whitebeard. This is near Bayan, the famous Cielo Church. Coffee lang muna ako ngayon and I really appreciated yung coffee nila. I loved it. Then we asked the owner na ang chika pala dito sa coffee na to is it's tri-blends. It's 60% local from Mount Apo and 40% is mixed Colombian and Panama. And it's really, really, really good. Unfortunately, we were trying to order or we were looking at ordering some for Manila. Kaso nahihirapan sila ngayon sa logistics at medyo mahal din. Monday pa daw dadating yung beans nila. If you are planning to go to Siargao, make sure you come here in Whitebeard Coffee. Ang specialty talaga nila is coffee, waffles, and breakfast. Sarap. Ay talaga yung thank God for coffee. Sarap, no? The best. So we're now here in the spot na magsa-surf kami. If you want a tattoo, we can get tattoo from Chest Tattoo. What's up, bro? So this is the spot where we're gonna get into the boat and then boat in the middle of the ocean and then surf. So we're so excited. Unfortunately, I cannot bring this camera. I'm just gonna leave it here in Chest Tattoo. Thank you, Kuya. We're gonna have a lovely time. Excited kami. This is gonna be my first time going into the open water and then surf sa gitna. Are you excited?
I am.
And
Nervous at the same time.
but safe kami. Safe. We're safe. We're safe.
Is this the heart?
So this is Chest Tattoo and they're operating.
Yeah, my name is Chester and
Magaling. See you later.
Much later.
Ayan. Hindi na yung dudugo. Tapos pag dumugo, yun ulit. Kulak. Tapos ganito mo. Ito mo ho. 5 minutes. Wala na yan. Wala na yan.
Thank you.
Welcome. So ano nangyari sa'yo?
Nag-ride ako tapos tumama yung board sa mukha ko.
Yung nose.
Yung nose ng board ko.
Normal lang yun. Tsaka hindi mo mamamatay doon, no? Nag-enjoy kami sa pag-ride kanina. Di ba? Ang galing nila eh. Galing na trainer ko eh. Bali yung ginawa namin, nagbangka kami, punta kami sa gitna. Tapos, lakad ng mahaba. Sobra. When we got into the ocean, sobrang sarap. Sobrang parang kaibigan na namin yung mga alon. And then, bawat kuha ko ng wave, nakakatayo ako. Pero merong isa doon na sobrang na-wiped out ako. Tapos akala ko malulunod ako. Tapos itong damit ko, tatakpan yung mukha ko. So I had to remove it. And then, angat. Tapos, babaw lang pala. Ganun. Pero ang saya na experience, sobrang saya. One of the best surfing experience this time, yung dito sa cemetery. Kasi dito lang yung banda yung cemetery. Or Pisangan. You should try this. And of course, you will see Chess Tattoo Shop here.
Mas malaki pa yung alon sa akin. Naloka ako!
Tapos papunta kayo dito sa loob. Paloob dyan. And then, nandun na yung mga bangko. Alright, so, punta namin sa kainan. Let's go! We're live on Kumu and grabe, ang sarap ng food dito. Guys, when you're going here, Emilia's Restaurant, it's one of the famous eatery here. And actually, mura siya kasi ang dami namin kumain. It's 2019 lang. Guys, you need to follow her on Instagram.
At Danielle Flora.
At Danielle Flora.
Danielle Flora. That's my name.
If you're planning to go here and visit Siargao anytime soon,
Yeah, just drop a message.
holla at her.
Always happy to show people around all the time. Yeah.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So yan, punta kami boat tour and we're excited. It's the typical boat tour here. Guyam, Naked Island, and then Daku. We're gonna stay in Daku. Then doon tayo mag-boodle fight.
Private boat tour.
Diba?
Kami lang nandito.
Sponsored by Alfred! Woo! Thank you, sexy!
Mention it!
So yun, nag-enjoy kami today. Kakain kami na madami. Maglalaro kami ng volleyball doon. Let's go! Ayan nalang yung ano mo, yung outro. 1, 2, 3, go!
Let's go!
We're now here in Daku Island. This is where people usually have poodle fights, go around, play volleyball, and get their tan and swim. Last time I was here, yung first time ko, dito kami nagpanggabi o dito kami uminom, nagpicnic, tapos uwi. Tapos, the other time, I met sila Danny. Yun. Tsaka yung iba kong mga naging friends ko from here na sobrang naging close ko din. When we were here, nung first, doon na kami sa gitna. Unfortunately, guys, wala na masyadong mga puno ng nyog. Kumbaga, nakadepende na lang sa mga nipahat ngayon. Kumbaga, wala mo ng silong. Then, yung play area nila dati, wala muna, hindi pa nagawa yung mga net sa volleyball. Pero okay naman siya. Actually, the good thing about it is that para siya naging Virgin Island ulit. And then that area, you can go there and you can have a vibe of tropical island na masaya na may mga grass, yung lapag. Para siyang Hawaii. Para siyang mini Hawaii. Yun! Gagawin namin dito, mag-chill lang kami, nag-aabang kami ng food. Diba, part of the island tour is this. Ayan, congratulations!
So guys, if you're gonna visit Siargao, make sure you drop by sa Chiquititas because kanila to guys. So thank you so much! Grabe yung pasabog ko.
Pasabog. Meron tayong pakwan. Oh, may shell pa.
May shell.
May tuna. Oh, may talong.
And
May chicken. May supo. May chicken ulit. Oh, kompleto. Eh, syempre may kanin.
May kanya, ang daming letters.
Thank you, Chiquitito, for this. And of course,
and
congratulations!
Guys, dalaw kay Chiquitito pagdito kayo sa Siargao ha.
Diba? Puhunan ang
Boses!
Nagkatotoo yung joke mo.
Thank you, Chiquititas! Till next time, thank you!
A few moments later.
Hello, everybody. We are so grateful and full. Legit.
Full and fulfilled.
Yes.
Diba? Full, fulfilled, and grateful. Kasi Ang sexy namin, nakaka-proud. Boses ang
Puhunan.
This is such a beautiful place, no? We're here in Dahu. Makita. Oh,
Diba, simple life.
simple life. That is beautiful right there. That is beautiful right there. And that is beautiful right there.
Beautiful right here.
Dito, oh. Diba? The best thing about this day is that we didn't plan this.
Yes.
Our plan was to do a land tour because Alfred wanted to do a river swimming. And yet, binigay siya sa amin ng pagkakataon with the power of his voice na magkaroon ng boat tour. Kung alam nyo lang kung magkano yung boat tour with all this spread, tingnan nyo, mahal yan
Isipin nyo ako na sumuko Ganun kadami.
Ganun siya
Ang
kadami.
dami.
For 3 people, di ba? Totoo yun. We're full, fulfilled, and grateful.
And looking forward for a nice massage tonight.
Naisingit mo pa.
Totoo naman. Kaya lang problema ko, Lola daw yung magmamasahe sa akin. Dahil di ka, ako na yung huling mamasahe ni Lola. Kinakabahan.
By the way,
For today, ako yung huling niya mamasahe for today.
okay.
Masulit siya mga masahe.
Good. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching this vlog. We appreciate you tuning in. This is our 3rd day, second to the last day. The day is not over yet. We're gonna have karaoke night in Harana later.
Yes.
Jamming session.
We're looking for more competition.
Naghanap talaga ng competition, but this is more than 3,000 calls or 2,500.
We gained friends, of
Yes.
course.
A lot.
Our trainers, our guide,
Suitors.
and
Huh?
our boatman.
The owner of the hotel.
Hoy, ingin mo nakakahiya.
And then of course, the owner of the Chiquitita
boat. Oh my God. Thank you
Diba?
so much.
Thank you so much
Sobrang saya namin.
for spoiling us
Yes.
with the island tour and the food.
Yes.
Never. And we're not finished yet. So we're gonna show you more videos later. But for now, please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment, and share it to your friends who wanted to go to Siargao and di pa nila alam kung pupunta sila because of the recent typhoon. Siargao is really beautiful. I mean,
And it's recovering fast.
it is recovering fast, and they need you to come here to recover
Yes.
faster, quicker. Kasi syempre laking tulong nito for everyone.
Yeah.
Help our fellow men and the locals here because they are striving.
And they are good people, guys. You can
Oo.
definitely feel that they are good
Because
people.
everyone knows everyone.
Totoo, and
Literally.
it's not hard to smile.
Totoo. Hindi siya, iba yung feel niya when you're in Manila or when you're in the city.
Like,
Ibang-iba yung
Everyone,
dito.
grabe. Sobrang
Community.
nagsasmile sila, makasalubong ka nila, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Iba talaga. So, I'm so proud.
Please come and visit Siargao. Help ibangon ang Siargao. Ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Kinain.
We're now here in Guyam. Of course, diba? Our sexy is gonna swim. Yumi and I decided that we're gonna stay here in the boat. So we have decided that we're gonna stay here in the boat, chill. It's not really sunny because it's golden hours. I think it's nearly 6 p.m. I'm so tired because we surfed earlier kasi first time kong magbangka to get into the middle of the ocean and then surf. It was so beautiful. And now we're here in our last leg of boat tour. Kuya, kuya! So it's beautiful, stunning. Every good adjective mauubos dito sa Siargao. Lahat ng alam nyong magandang sabihin about a place. Picturesque, solemn, paradise, everything, name it. It is. Walang halong biro. I'm not saying this because I am trying to encourage everybody to come here. It is still genuinely good. I never skipped the boat tour. So you would definitely say, yeah, Siargao is still Siargao. So thank you so much. Pahinga muna ako dito. Ayan, thank you po, Nay. Ano pong number niyo pag gusto ng masahe?
0910-574-7349.
Sobrang galing nila, no?
Yes.
Relax ako eh. Ayun, oh. Al.
Kumbaga sa ano, kung sa klase to, hindi pa siya tapos magsulat. Kung hindi mga classmate niya, hindi siya magsulat.
Pamilya si nanay, anak ni nanay si ate, anak ni ate si Bernardo. Thank you, kuya.
The next day.
What's up? Good morning. We're now here in Chess Tattoo. We're gonna have our friendship tattoo. This is gonna be my first, and Yumi as well.
Yeah.
That's her first tattoo. Of course, si Chess, nirecommend siya ni Danny. I never had a plan of getting tattoo because of my tradition of donating blood. It's gonna be tiny, so onting pahinga lang yon and I can still donate blood naman. So let's go! Let's do this! Kasi uwi na kami mamaya.
Hindi pa tayo uwi, mabalik lang tayo ng Maynila dahil kaya ba yun?
Actually, tama siya.
Tama siya. We're not going home yet. We're just going back to Manila to go to another place and stay there for 3 days. Yes, thank you.
Yes, the best. So, see you. Let's go. Tingnan nyo. Paano kayo masaktan. Bye. Okay lang siya. Parang ina-injection na marami. Paano ito di babasahin?
Hindi sa dagat, hindi na muna. Pero normal lang, sa pagligo okay lang.
Thank you, Chess! Patataw na kayo dito. Dali. Kung gusto nyo simple tattoo lang. So, this is a wave. And K. Symbolism, bakit K? Kasi DMK yan. We're gonna complete it DMK. I got K. Yumi got D. And then, of course, Alfred's got M. Then, bakit sa paa? Kasi parang anywhere the world will take us, magkakaibigan pa rin kami.
Together. Okay, let's go!
What is your favorite letter?
Muta.
This is, yes.
Ano yung sabi ng mga bula?
Go, good luck. Ang sabi ng mga hula, ang mga katulayan ko daw, magiging jowa ko daw next year. Next year pa. So, kalma ka lang dyan. Letter M.
Di ba namin kung sino, sure kung sino talaga?
Ako sure na ako.
Sino?
Mary Rose. Hindi nyo kaya, Mary Rose. Sakit lang yung dulo talaga itong mga letter M.
Ala! Grabe naman yung M!
Kasi DMK.
Okay.
Siyempre, pinili nyo agad yung D. Pinili nyo yung K. Wala na akong choice.
Nice. How was it? How was it?
Sumisingaw. Ay, bumubula ako.
Oy, thank you, Jess!
Salamat!
Thank you, kuya. Happy?
Yes, pang inasabi na to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7
tattoo. Happy?
Yes.
Let's go! Thank you, kuya.
Spontaneous.
Actually, may sekreto si Alfred's na hindi namin sabihin.
And we didn't see it coming.
Totoo.
And it's very unexpected.
Grabe, no?
Like,
Sobra.
All this time.
Yes. The revelation.
You know, Alfred is just fooling everybody.
No, he's not. I think ako para sa akin, he's very genuine with his feelings. Yung kay Marlo.
No.
Hindi, yung kay Marlo. I know it's genuine. Iba lang talaga yung kamandag ng kaibigan ko.
Yeah. And ano mo yun?
Yung...
Niyanig niya.
Lalo na yung panahon na yung naglalakad-lakad daw sa surfboard. Kasi very sexy there. Diba? Pag nag-surf. Ay! Wala. Wala to. Babay po.